Yes, people. Yes, we are doing some more work on the Hyper. Yes, we are in the garage. Track days are coming thick and fast. And we're going to do a bit of swing arm protection. I've just always done it on other bikes, like some carbon covers and stuff. And finally, we've got some stuff arriving from Italy. So thank you to MaxiCarbon for sorting this out. Took a bit of time, but as with a lot of things with COVID and all this international shipping and stuff, it's taking donkey's years. So let's work out what we're going to do with this. So what we're looking at here is this matte finish. I've gone for the matte finish, I don't want the shiny stuff. And this is going to cover this sort of, so it's just going to cover it, look all right, but also offer some protection if I ever go down. And it looks like it's just 1, 2, little hole there. I think that's it, there's nothing on the back, so I'm guessing these line up with these holes down here. So you got that one there, and then you got this one at the back, that bugger. And you got this little cheeky one through there. So I hope I don't have to take that off. I might have to check the chain guard off. And I think there's a little one down, just down there. There he is. Maybe, I don't know. I'll see if I find out. And if this top bit is a little bit loose because there's nothing keeping this down. I've got some double-sided Velcro I can put a bit here and just to hold it in place. But yeah, let's get this other bit off first and see. And that's it, nice and easy, all on. It was fairly straightforward. The holes line up perfect, even in that one in the far corner over here. That's fine, these will line up fine. On the top, I just added a bit of Velcro underneath there and a bit on the end just so it doesn't move. Yeah, man, I reckon that was the easiest jobs ever. Show you what it looks like with the light off and just bit of a pan back and see what it's like on the whole bike. I actually like it, man. It looks all right. Gives it that sort of, just covers it all up. Bit of a tiny stealth look. But yeah, so that's pretty much, I think, last of the protection on. And I think now we're just ready for Donington again after all the suspension tune-up. So let's see what that's like. Catch you later.